In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a connected Shopify store from Zendrop. By the end, your store will be fully disconnected from Zendrop by uninstalling the Zendrop app from your Shopify admin. Before you begin, it's a good idea to make sure any pending orders are handled and that auto-fulfillment in Zendrop is paused, so nothing processes while you disconnect. Start by opening your Shopify admin and head to the Home dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps area. This is where all of your store's installed apps are managed. Next, go into App Settings to access the full list and management options, then open the Apps section within Settings. Make sure you're viewing the Installed tab so you see everything currently active on your store. In the list of installed apps, locate Zendrop, Dropshipping, and POD. Click into it to open its details page inside Shopify's settings. On this page, you'll find the option to Uninstall App. Go ahead and click Uninstall App to begin the removal. Shopify may ask you to share why you're uninstalling. Choose the options that apply to you. Some stores see a multi-select checklist, and you might encounter the prompt more than once. If you do, just select the relevant reasons each time so you can proceed. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Uninstall. After the uninstall completes, Zendrop will be removed from your store, and the connection between your Shopify store and Zendrop will be severed. You'll typically see a confirmation screen. On that page, Shopify may suggest alternatives and provide a link that says something like, "If you'd like to find a similar app, visit the Shopify App Store." If you want to explore other fulfillment or sourcing options, click that link to browse alternatives. You may see the same suggestion link appear again elsewhere in your apps area. You can click it there as well if you prefer. When you're done reviewing alternatives, return to your Shopify admin by clicking your store name at the top of the interface. Back in your apps list, you'll notice Zendrop is no longer installed. That's your confirmation that the store is disconnected. A few closing tips. Removing the app stops Zendrop from syncing products and orders, but it doesn't retroactively change past orders. If you decide to reconnect in the future, simply reinstall the Zendrop app from the Shopify App Store and sign back in to reauthorize the connection. And as a best practice, always double-check that no open fulfillment tasks remain pending in Zendrop after you uninstall.